Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, Dumpster Cam. I am coming back at you with one of the best hauls that I've had in a little while here, with everything that you see on the table plus a few little surprises down below that I will show you at the end of the haul, which if you've ever seen my videos before, you will know that it's my favorite part of the haul. So stick around to see what those are. But first we're going to start here on the table. This all came from two types of stores. Like this is the Aldi section and then this is the CVS section. It wasn't all on the same day, but just, I go when I can and I find what I do and share it with you guys. So here we are starting over at the Aldi section. There were a few more of these, but I only took 3 of these sandwich skinnies. These are, just like the thin little round sandwich breads that you can either use for sandwiches. Sometimes I use them for burgers, things like that. I'm going to freeze these because I don't eat that many sandwiches, but always good to have on hand when I do need them. And I just take them out of the freezer and use them as I need. So those are exciting. And then this is fun. It's a little Ghost Pop kit, Rice Krispies. So I don't know. Okay, so let's see. It includes ghost mold, makes 6. I'm assuming it includes the sticks and the toppings as well. It's unopened. It's not expired either, so I don't know why that was thrown out. So it has the Rice Krispies cereal, the mini marshmallows, frosting, black icing, sticks, molds, and piping bags. So that is fun. Maybe I'll do that as a little Halloween activity with myself. Or maybe I'll give it to the neighbor kid. I don't know. I found this pack of truffle ravioli, and the expiration isn't until December. It is, I guess it's just filled with truffle flavoring. That's what it says. I thought it was maybe filled with something else, but that's it. And then I thought it was thrown out because maybe it needed to be refrigerated, but I looked and looked, and it only says refrigerate after opening. Now I can't even find that, but storage. Store in a cool, dry place. By the best buy date on front, refrigerate after opening. So that is fine. And I've said in past videos that I want to try to do like a dumpster diving Thanksgiving meal with only things that I have found from the dumpster. And this isn't traditionally Thanksgiving, but it definitely feels kind of Thanksgiving-ish to me. So maybe I will save that for that video in November. We'll see. But I'm definitely going to enjoy that. I have 1 green bell pepper here, 2 orange, 2 red, and a yellow, and then I actually had more that I have eaten already or froze. I'm just finding so many bell peppers recently from Aldi, but mostly I use them in breakfast. And then another pack of onions here as well. Again, I've been finding tons of onions, and I know that onions have been recalled, so I will definitely check into that. But it wasn't like a mass throw out of onions. It was just this 1 pack. So we'll see. I'll investigate, but I do like onions. These onions, though, I have found are what is attracting the most fruit flies in my house. So if you have any, people have said, like, put the vinegar and the dish soap out and everything, and I've done that, but it's just not helping. The thing that seems to work the best for me are the little sticky window clings. So I'll just have to get more of those, but I think we're almost to the end of the season, thankfully. Okay, then these are awesome. I will definitely use these. These are just disinfectant cleaner, like in all-purpose. The tops are broken, so they were a little bit leaky. That's why I have them on the bag, but as you can see, it didn't leak that much. And I'll just put a new spray top in, and I have 2 brand new cleaners, so that's fabulous. Still at Aldi, I have this pack of kitchen sink cookies. I wasn't originally going to take these, but I love making like smoothies and milkshakes and stuff, and I would put these in that, so I will enjoy those. I have a bag of little Mandy's oranges. Love those. A thing of Crispy Oats cereal. This is, I'm assuming, like the regular Cheerios, but Aldi brand. As you can see, it's ripped at the top, but the bag inside is completely unopened, so those will be great. I have 2 giant things of pasta. This one's elbow macaroni. This one is rotini. This one's ripped a little bit, so I'll have to put it in a different container, but again, those should be fine. Still at Aldi, I found this USB wall plate charging power outlet thing. It has the USBs on the side, and then you can rest your phone in there, and it has the regular plugs as well. That's kind of cool. I have no idea why this was thrown out. It is completely unopened, maybe because something spilled on it, but that seems a little bit wasteful to me. But then again, so does everything. These I'm actually very excited about. These are pineapples. Pineapple and bananas are my favorite fruits, so perfect. There were 5 of them in there, but 2 of them had busted open and dumped out, so I couldn't take those. And they do need to be eaten fairly soon, but this is when they're the best. They're like super sweet, delicious. So I think I'm going to eat some of them and then freeze the rest for smoothies. And then over here I have 2 full packs, so 8 fruit cups of pears. And fun fact, I eat 1 fruit cup every day, actually. What I buy is the sugar-free mandarin oranges, but I love pears as well, so I will add these to my stash and enjoy these. And then, like I said, every single time I go to Aldi, there's bananas in the dumpster, so I always utilize those. I freeze them, I put them in my oatmeal, I make milkshakes and smoothies, or just, snacks, whatever. So I have 2 bunches here, and then I believe I've already frozen 2 bunches from the past since my last video as well. So that's all the food from Aldi. And then I have this super, super cute sign. It says Farm Fresh Pumpkins, apple cider, hot cocoa, pies, and hay rides, grateful, thankful, and blessed. So that's super cute for the fall time. Obviously, there was a pumpkin 3-dimensional thing right there that fell off, and I did not see it in the dumpster. So I'm just going to find a different one and put it there, and it'll still be perfect. It has a little, I don't know, it looks like berry juice down at the bottom, but that doesn't bother me either. That's adorable. And then on the back side, it is double-sided. I don't love the back side for my home personally, but it's still cute. It says home, now, in a place or feeling of belonging, a gathering place for friends and family. So it is super cute, and it's fun that they did that so that you could keep it out all year round. So there's that. Now we go to CVS, and the surprise down below came from CVS as well, so I'll show you that at the end. I have a thing of nuts, Omega Trail Mix, with some of the dried fruit, which is great. Some Snyder's twisted seasoned pretzels. I'm assuming this is kind of going to be like Dots. If you guys have ever had Dots pretzels, they are the best pretzels ever, so I'm excited to try those. These I'm a little nervous about. They're ghost pepper, like Doritos almost, but this brand. So those will probably be super spicy. These are spicy as well, but these I have had at least similar before. They're kind of like the Takis. I got 3 of those. These are called Turbo's Flamas. That's how I would pronounce it. I have 1 bag of Girl Scout Thin Mints pretzels, so that's super fun. Those sound very tasty. And a thing of Fiber One soft baked cinnamon coffee cake bars that are open but all still in there. Then I have 4 boxes of Honey Maid honey graham crackers, which I do love graham crackers. I love to dip them in chocolate milk. That's like my guilty pleasure. So I will use those as well. And then you can always make like graham cracker crusts and stuff. So that's super fun. And then back here from CVS, I have the real Honey Nut Cheerios brand Medley Crunch with like the regular cereal pieces in there. And again, these are going to be just fine. Their best by date isn't until June, but the side ripped open a little bit, even though the bag is sealed. So I will keep those around and enjoy those. Right here I have 3 of these Figgy Pops Nutter and Jelly Super Snacks. I've never tried those, but they're probably tasty. Some original beef jerky slices here. I think I'm going to make some more veggie beef broth like I did a few months ago, and I actually used beef jerky in that, and it turned out really well, so I might use those again in a beef veggie broth. I'll keep you guys updated. I have some white cheddar Boom Chicka Pop right here. I love white cheddar popcorn. Some cheddar cheese veggie straws, which I don't think I've ever had. I've only had the original. And then some sweet potato tortilla chips, which I don't think I've ever had either. Speaking of things I've never had, I have some freeze-dried sweet corn veggie snacks, which I'm a little nervous about. I'm not sure if I would want to just snack on freeze-dried corn, but maybe. I'll give it a try. I'm not going to say no. Let's finish out the food items. I have some Chipotle barbecue pistachios. I don't love barbecue flavored things, but I will give those a try. I have 2 Bobo's coconut oat bars. This one's lemon poppy seed flavor. Oh, this one's lemon poppy seed. This one's coconut. And then 2 more Granola bars. These ones are cookie dough. Well, that one's cookie dough, and this one is caramel chocolate nut. All right. I have one of these mini cookies, birthday cake flavor. They are gluten-free and keto, it says. And then 5 of the mini cookies, fudge brownie flavor. Same thing, gluten-free and keto. So, you know, probably not super indulgent, but I'm sure still very tasty. And then let's finish up with the non-food items, and then I will show you my little surprise, which I'm actually thinking that some of you might have already seen because I think I showed a little peek of it. I have 3 rolls of paper towel right here, just the basics. This one ripped open just a smidge, but those will be fine. I don't use tons of paper towel, so these will last me quite a while. I have a self-heating eye mask, which sounds very relaxing. I will use that. I've never done that before. Some Chic Quattro razor heads. A whole bunch of chapstick, which I'm very excited about because I haven't found this in a while. I have 11 of these Raspberry Lemonade Blast Blistex, 5 of these Nivea Smoothness, and then 1 of the Aquaphor Medicated Plus Sunscreen. So those are going to be super great. I will definitely put those to use. I have a whole thing of these huge water block Band-Aids. I have never purchased Band-Aids. I'm not joking. I used to find them so often to the point where I'm still stocked up. I have a completely unopened thing of small trash bags. There was just something sticky on the bottom, but the bags will be fine. A pack of face masks, which will definitely be put to good use, I'm sure, as you guys are in the same predicament I am with the pandemic still requiring masks at some places. And then the last non-food item I show you before we go down to my favorite part, I have 2 of these Heel Saver Callus Shavers. A little nervous. There is a blade in there, but, you know, everybody's feet get a little rough sometimes. Maybe I'll give it a shot. All right, here's my favorite part. It's coming at you. Let me just show you a quick overview of everything I found one more time. These next 4 boxes also came from CVS. 3 of them came from one location, and the other box came from a different location. And here we go. Plants. So all 3 of the aloe, let me show you. I have 3 boxes of aloe and 1 box of snake plants. I wish there were more snake plants than aloe, but that's okay. Aloe aren't my favorite type of plant. I've never been the most successful at keeping them happy, but they're still fabulous, and I'm still very glad that I found them and saved them from the dumpster. Some of them weren't even opened. They had these giant staples in them. So I'm not sure if their shipment just came in late and the corporate told them not to, that's funny. Corporate told them not to sell them or whatever. But there are, what says it somewhere? 20. Can you see that? Yeah, there's 20 per case. So this is 20, 40, 60 aloe, and 20 snake plants. As you can see, they have really been tumbled around while being thrown into the dumpster and everything. Some of them aren't going to be salvageable, like this. Obviously, there's nothing in there. It looks like it probably came out and is dead, unfortunately. So that one I'm not going to be able to save, but a lot of these, this one's tipped upside down, but he will be just fine. Obviously, I have to go through and let them breathe and water them. This one, yeah, I think I actually might be able to save that one. I don't even know if he's in his pot anymore, but he has some good roots. So you have to let them breathe and water them. I think I'm going to give away most of these aloe. I cannot keep 60 aloe plants around. And then, like I said, the snake plants I'm a little bit more excited about because they're a little bit hardier, and I've been more successful with snake plants. Ugh, sorry, I just had to throw that one and catch it. Super pretty, super big and beautiful. New growth coming in. These look great. I'm going to keep a bunch of these and then, sorry for this filming, give some away because, again, that's still a lot of plants. For people who are new here who might have seen my house tour videos, as you can see now I have tons and tons of plants, and that all stemmed from dumpster diving. I had 0 plants before I found a pretty big haul of plants while dumpster diving at CVS a few years ago, and now they have just taken over, and I still have most of those first ones that I found, and they've grown and they're so fabulous. This actually came from the dumpster just earlier this year, maybe last year. Earlier this year, I want to say, it was still pretty cold outside, from Aldi. And it was just super tiny. It wasn't doing well. And now this is like huge. Do you see how big these leaves are? Those are huge. It is actually doing much better than my other fiddle leaf fig that I have. And it just keeps sprouting new growth, and he's doing fabulous. And I love him. I tell him he's beautiful every day. And he's doing great, reaching for the sun here by the window, but I think he's doing okay. So yes, that is my favorite part of the haul. Let me know down below what your favorite part of the haul is. But all in all, this was a fabulous haul and one of my best that I've had in a while. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Dumpster Cam. And I will be back soon with more dumpster diving and home and plant and all sorts of related videos. Thank you.